Introducing TMG-218, a high-performance organotin catalyst engineered for advanced industrial applications. Precision engineered for modern industry. An advanced organotin catalyst designed for performance, reliability, and control. TMG-218 delivers versatile catalytic power across demanding industrial processes. Fast catalytic activity, excellent thermal stability, high curing efficiency, and consistent, scalable performance. In polyurethane systems, TMG-218 enhances foaming and accelerates curing, ensuring uniform structure and superior results. In PVC applications, it improves thermal stability and protects material integrity under heat. For RTV silicones, TMG-218 enables faster curing and optimized processing performance. In coatings and alkyd systems, it acts as a powerful paint dryer, delivering faster drying and smoother finishes. For polyester synthesis, it drives efficient esterification and consistent production quality. TMG-218, reliable catalyst for modern industry. Contact us for advanced chemical solutions.